Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to play games and listen music on your phone background. Follow these easy steps to easily play a music in your phone background during gameplay. First of all, you have to open a browser on your mobile and open youtube.com. And now search for the music, which music you want to play in your background. So here's I'm selecting this music. Now tap on this three dot and enable desktop side. Once you successfully turn on desktop side, now you have to watch an ad first. So let's skip the ad. Okay, as you can see, I'm playing a music. Now, all you have to need, minimize your browser like this and open your control center or notification panel. And here you will see the music add date. Now, just go ahead and open the game, which game you want to play. And now, as you can see, right now I'm in my Call of Duty app home screen, and now I'm again opening my notification center, and here we can see the music. Now just tap on this play button, and as you can see, my music is playing in my background, and I can also play the game. So this is how we can easily play games and listen to music in our phone background. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.